Hi, Yotis. How you doing?
I'm doing great. What about you, Hag?
Good. Thank you so much for taking the time to be on the show. Yotis, you've got a very impressive background. Tell me a little bit about your company and what you guys do.
Yes, so at Yobe Ventures, we are focused on investing in growth equity deal. So really seed, bridge, Series A,
Okay.
raising between 3 million to 30 million is our sweet spot. We are agnostic, so really welcoming and checking every deal is really depend on the industry timing. And as well, we are experts in capital raising. So we are helping, other founders to raise funds. We don't work with everybody. We are very selective on the company based on the quality and also the founders' transparency, sorry, and hard working. So
Okay.
that's what we do at Yobi Ventures.
Okay. That's nice. So let me ask you a question now. Obviously, you guys have raised funds. You're in the business of raising funds. If someone wanted to come and approach investors, whether it's yourself or out on the market, what do they need to do to be able to raise funds? Is it, hey, I got a business, I'm ready, and we're gonna try to go find some money, or is there certain steps that they need to do before they come and approach a qualified investor or even crowdfunding?
Yeah, that's a great question. We are lucky with the world we are living in because now we have Google, and I think Google is the best the best tools in the world.
Yeah.
So when you raise fund, the first important is depending of your stage, but you need to be professional. When I mean you need to be professional is you need to have the documentation ready. You need to have a deck ready. You
Like
have a
what
lot of,
kind? Like are you saying to have documents like your LLC and things like that, or some kind of a presentation?
yes, more on the presentation, but also you need your LLC to be ready because you will not have an investor going to give you his money or invest his money if you don't have an LLC. So that's one on fundraising is really to have a deck that explain where you want to go based on your stage, because it's not the same deck when you are an early stage company that is pre-seed, or if you are a company that doing a Series A, it's completely different. But there is tools online, documentation that can help you for sure.
Okay, so for someone to prepare to I guess pitch for an investor, whether it's a qualified investor or it's crowdfunding, they
Yes.
need to have a deck. What needs to be in that deck? What kind of information should they have?
So the most important is what you are doing, the story. Okay, what problem you are responding. That's really the basic. You have what is your solution, what you are bringing. That's where the investor is going to make his decision, even if you are early stage. After that, depending of your stage, if you are already have revenue, that's something now in the market we are investor are really looking for. We have now a market where everybody is specialized. So when you are doing your first round is family and friends. After that, when you are going to go to your seed round, you are going to reach to VC, but VC that are specialized in early stage. And after that, when you are next round, you are going to reach out to VC that is more in our stage. We are looking for company that already have a product market fit, have revenue. Each time it's a different, it's a different copywriting, it's a different target. It's like when you are a sales company and you are targeting a precise kind of B2C person that you want to sell your product. It's the
Right.
same now in the investment and the capital raising market. You really need to focus on what kind of investor you need based on your stage and your industry.
I got you. That's interesting. So you're saying so start with family and friends, and then you said that there's a difference between obviously family and friends. There's somebody like a VC that's in the middle, and then there's somebody like you guys. What is that that's in the middle before they get to you guys?
So globally, you are going to have a friends and family round. You are going to reach out to early stage. We call that early stage VC that is specialized in early stage, and also incubator. That's really the three, let's say, kind of investor that you are going to meet first when you start your company. When you
Right.
start having, result revenue, you are going to talk with VC that are focused more on growth equity and writing bigger check, and
Okay.
also family office, and specialized fund. That's more
Okay.
the kind of investor you are going to focus on.
Okay, I got you. So, if somebody wants to approach you, so if our viewers want to approach you and say, "Hey, I've got either a concept or, like you said, I found the problem and I found the solution," how would they
Yes.
approach you? What would they just
So
send you an email and say, "Hey, Yotis, here you go. Here's my deck."
yeah, that's exactly, is really simple than that.
Really?
Because
Okay.
because we judge on that. When you know the mentality of investor, and that's really important. Is an investor is going to give you 20 seconds of his time when he open his deck. So you need to catch his intention. So for example, when I receive a deck, after 20 seconds, I know if I'm going to say no, or I'm going to allow, 2 minutes more to spend on the deck and see if it fits our investment criteria. So there is step and mentality behind it, even
Hmm.
when you are an investor. So yes, they can send the deck directly by email, and based on the quality of the deck, I can already know, who did it.
Mm.
Every little details. I can see the level of the founders. If the founder has experiences, what mistake is doing, what is, everything is, it's really more a judge to eliminate, sorry, the founder and the one that don't do the extra step, because again, everything is on Google. You can have a great deck. There is example. You have, example of deck of big company that raised, millions and millions. So everything is there. You just need to spend time and have this, this vision, and want to do a great job.
Okay. All right. So, Yotis, of course, next question is going to be, if somebody wants to approach you, where do they go?
Investment at yobeventures.com. That will be the email, invest at yobeventures.com. And
Okay.
as well, they can find me on LinkedIn. I'm pretty open on LinkedIn. And they have also our website, that is yobeventures.com.
Okay. Perfect. All right. Yotis, thank you so much. That was very insightful. At least now, it's our, I think everybody realizes it's really the key of your first look. It's your first presentation, first impression that's come back there. I hope you have on the show again.
Yeah, of course. I'm here, and we help also early stage as advisors. So happy to share. I share a lot of free advice on LinkedIn. So happy to help other founders to succeed.
Yeah, we're happy to take all that advice. Yotis, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.